Hi, to enable automatic system updates on your Vivo V40, we will need to go in the settings and here just find this system update tab. So as you can see, I already have new update which I can install now or install overnight. And we need to tap on the three dots, then go in the upgrade settings. And here to enable automatic system updates, we would need to enable this automatically download upgrade packages over Wi-Fi and this feature smart upgrade. So new versions will be automatically downloaded over Wi-Fi and installation will automatically start between 1 and 5 at night when your device is idle. You don't need to wait or download manually. So if you want to do this, just tap on this switcher to enable and now your phone will automatically update overnight. And that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.